heard you want to start meditating, but you're like, I don't know how. What do I do? I'm just a beginner. But that's okay, because everybody has to start somewhere. I've been meditating for a few years now, and a couple of tips that I found helpful in the beginning I want to share with you, and also a very simple meditation. So, tip number one, set yourself a timer. Start with maybe 2 minutes and just work with that for a little while, and eventually work your way up to whatever time's going to work for you, whether it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but set yourself a timer so you know in the beginning you're not sitting there like waiting for like what's that feeling I'm supposed to be feeling, like I'm bored or whatever. Just set a timer, meditate for that time, and see how you go. Also, you might find that playing a bit of music in the background is helpful when you start meditating. Something like some nice sound bowls or some binaural sounds you can find on Spotify, just something nice and mellow. And you also want to find a nice, like, comfortable, quiet space where you can sit. So whether that's in a chair, whether that's on your yoga mat, maybe it's first thing in the morning in your bed you sit up, or maybe it's in your car, like on your way to work, or when you finish work coming home. Wherever works for you, where you can have a nice tall spine, shoulders rolled back. You can place your palms face up on your thighs. So when you're there, this is the meditation. It's simply counting your breath. So we're in our comfortable seated position, wherever that is, at whatever time of day is working for you. And we're closing down our eyes. And we're just going to start by deepening our breath and slowing down our breath. In and out through the nose. Deep into the belly. And we're just going to count our breath from 1 to 10 and start over. So we'll inhale for 1 and exhale for 2. We're going to inhale for 3 and exhale for 4. We're inhaling for 5 and exhaling for 6. Inhale for 7. Exhaling for 8. Inhale for 9. And exhale for 10. And then we're going to start back over at 1. Inhaling. And exhaling for 2. You can inhale for 3. Eyes are still closed. And exhaling for 4. Inhale for 5. Spine is still long. And exhale for 6. Inhale for 7. And exhaling for 8. Inhale for 9. And exhale for 10. Let's do one more round together, counting our breath. Inhaling for 1. Exhaling for 2. Inhaling for 3. Exhaling for 4. Inhaling for 5. Exhaling for 6. Inhale for 7. Exhaling for 8. Inhale for 9. exhaling for 10. Release the count. Just let your breath return to normal. Wiggling our fingers and toes and slowly opening our eyes. You did it. You meditated. It's that simple. Just counting your breath from 1 to 10, repeating it for the allocated amount of time that you have chosen in a comfortable seated position, wherever you've chosen, whenever you've chosen. And if you find yourself counting and the next thing you know, you're like 13, 14, that's okay. Start back at 1 and try again. So I hope that this helped, and good luck, happy meditating.